It's exciting news. Two things have happened since our first ministerial conference held in Vanuatu in March of 2012. We went back to Brussels, we worked with the ACP Secretariat. We worked really hard with the EU to convince them to recognize the issue of kava as an emerging commodity for Pacific Island kava producing countries. On the one hand, we have now secured through the ACP EU Technical Paris to Trade BMU global sum of over 400,000 euro for the second study on kava dynamics, which is going to be launched in the next few weeks in Brussels. The study would be, experts would be based in Vanuatu. They would cover Fiji, Tonga, Samoa, FSM, PNG and Solomon Islands, the Friends of Kava. This is a comprehensive study. It's going to, on the one hand, it's going to look at the issue of the current ban, the science, the analysis done by a laboratory that is going to be recognized, authentic of course, and secondly, looking at the policy, trade policy area, where to move the dossier from where we are at this point in time. I just had the occasion to meet with Dr. Vincent Lebo a few minutes ago. As you know, Dr. Lebo is one of the world's greatest, the only person who has strong scientific and institutional memory on the issue of kava dynamics and kava itself as a commodity, as a product. And Dr. Lebo is going to be part of this consultancy team with his experience on Vanuatu to support the island countries in carrying out the second part of the study. The study will take at least 7 months duration. We plan that at the end of the study, we're going to convene a ministerial meeting here in this beautiful town of Port Vila. We're going to invite the global actors, the players, the private sectors, the exporters, the farmers, to come together and decide on the new roadmap of kava production and kava development in the Pacific. We're going to work with the regional organizations and national organizations to agree on new mechanisms for pricing of kava as a commodity. And thirdly, Vanuatu will have to use the base of the study to redefine the legislations of how kava should be consumed, should be used, should be utilized commercially in Vanuatu, so that we give back the level of ownership to our farmers, but largely we protect kava as a product for the people of this country.